Hi, my name is Andika Duncan. I'm a property manager here in Princeton, Texas, serving Collin County and the nearby areas. And in this video, I'm going to go through the instructions on how to fill out the fillable form that I emailed to you. So this is the original Texas Realtors residential lease application that is provided to us Realtors. But when we send this to you, you cannot print into this form. You cannot type into this form on the computer. So the procedure is that you print this, you hand fill it, scan it back, and send it back to us. It's very time consuming. Many of the tenants don't have a printer or don't have a scanner, so it makes things very complicated. I don't know why they didn't make this into a fillable form, but we have to deal with it. So instead, I created a form that you received in this email. And these are the instructions that I sent to you. We're going to go through these instructions in this video. So you received the form, and this is the form. Hold on a second. There we go. So this is the form that you received. When you click on it, and you saw I clicked on it, right now this form is not fillable. Please pay attention to the steps. You will have to download this form first to your computer and just save it wherever you want. And now when you click on the downloaded file, it will open up in your browser, and now you can fill into this, okay? Here you can type everything, all the information that is requested in the form. You can click in the checkboxes, the form works. Just a few things about these forms. Please make sure that when you are filling this out, at the emergency contact, you insert a person who will not reside with you in your home. So if you think of your spouse and the spouse will live with you, please don't put them. Put your mother, any other relatives, friends, or co-workers that will not reside in the home. We will need somebody to be able to reach if we cannot reach you. And then on the occupant information, the vehicle information, and the animals, there are a few boxes where you can fill out the information. In the occupant field, you can fill out up to 4. If you have more than 4, please just email the information of the other people along with this form. And if you have 1 vehicle, obviously you will only fill out 1, but if you have more than 1, please fill out 1 box for each vehicle. And same goes for the animals, okay? So when you are done, and I'm just gonna make some changes so you can see it. So now we have the information all filled out. Now you will have to save this. And this is why I created this video, because here it will give you an option to download the form with your changes. Unfortunately, for some reason, it doesn't work. At least it doesn't work on my computer. And I want to show you how to save it actually. If you do this, you may erase everything that you filled out, and it's a pretty long form, so you want to do it right the first time. So instead of downloading it, you will click on the print icon and you will save it as PDF, because when you do it, it will save everything that you inserted. You see this is the address that I typed in and the check marks are there. So now this is ready to save, and then you just save it on your computer. So this is, I know it's a little bit complicated, but it's less complicated than printing out the original form, filling it out by hand, scan it back, and send it back to me. So the instructions of the step-by-step instructions are in your video. The step-by-step instructions are in the email, so you can follow through if this video was a little bit more complicated. But please make sure that first you download the form, open it from the browser, fill it out, and then print as PDF. I hope this video helped. Thank you.